In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workout tracker in Notion. We're going to build a simple system that helps you organize your workouts, log what you complete, and review your progress over time. The goal here is to make your tracker easy to use because the simpler it is, the more likely you are to keep using it consistently. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page for your workout tracker. Give the page a clear title so it's easy to find later. This will be your main space for everything related to your training. So think of it as your personal fitness dashboard. Once the page is ready, add a database where you can list each workout session. A database is useful because it lets you store each workout as its own entry, which makes everything easier to sort, filter, and review later. This is what turns a basic page into a practical tracking tool. Next, add the properties you'll need to capture important details for every workout. Include a date property so you know exactly when each session happened. Add a workout type property for things like strength, cardio, mobility, or full body. Then create fields for exercises, sets, reps, weight, and notes. These properties give structure to your tracker and help you record both what you planned and what you actually did. The notes section is especially helpful for quick observations, like how you felt, whether something was challenging, or if you want to adjust next time. After that, create different views for your database, such as a calendar view or a table view. The table view is great for entering and reviewing detailed information quickly, while the calendar view helps you see your workout schedule over time. Having more than one view makes the tracker more flexible and easier to use depending on what you want to focus on. Now add your workout routine for each day. This gives you a clear plan to follow and helps reduce guesswork when it's time to train. You can enter each day's routine as its own workout session, so your week is already mapped out in advance. As you continue using the tracker, record your completed workouts after every session. Try to update it as soon as you finish while the details are still fresh. This habit makes your records more accurate and helps you stay accountable. Finally, review your tracker weekly to see your progress. Look for patterns in consistency, strength, volume, or overall performance. A weekly review can help you notice improvements, identify what needs adjustment, and stay motivated as you work toward your fitness goals.